Hello ARMYMOOs, Mamamoo Bangtam back with another video. For this video, we will be reacting to Solar on the DJ Survival Program World EDM Trend. She will be performing her OST for this program called Paradise. I have already heard this song because I reacted to the Paradise music video. But this is a live performance, and live performances are completely different, especially when it's Solar singing it. So yeah, this is an EDM song that Solar has sung. I was shocked at how deep her vocals were when I first heard it. Her lower register is definitely going to be shown in this performance. This is the Wet original soundtrack called Paradise. Let's go Solar! I love you!
외세 그랜드 파이널 그 포문을
A special performance from
외세
Solar.
타이틀곡 파라다이스.
Paradise!
젖을 준비 되셨나요?
Yeah, that's me. What the hell? That beat though. Oh yeah, this guy's gonna dance too. Woo! Look at these light sticks. Interesting. Woo! Solar. Her vocals are so deep. Wanna lose control. The paradise. Paradise. I want it more. Solo. I want it more. I just wanna lose control. Keep on doing what we do. I'm in Paradise Solar by your voice. Look at that dancer! Whoa! Get it, guy! Spin, flips, woo! He was in the music video too. Let's go, let's go! Woo! Woo! So many spins. Is that like the Matrix move? I'm losing control. She's got those backup dancers on the sides of her. Dude! They're doing like backflips next to Solar. What? That is so cool. Look at all these dancers. Like the other one that was like spinning around and like doing all these crazy dance moves. They are dancing to the beat of the EDM. And Solar's deep register in this song. I still can't get over it. Every time I hear it, I'm like, is that really her voice? She can go that low. She can go that low. And she can go that high. She can do it all. That's what I love about this song. EDM Solar. Flip in the air. Her serious expression. Keep on doing what we do to paradise. I want it more. I want it more. Here comes the beat drop. It's Paradise. Hey, hey! I wish I was there. That's the vibe. I want more. Lose control. Keep on doing what we do. It's a paradise. Let's go, Solar. EDM queen. Wow. Wow. Yes. Oh, the way she just stands so proudly on stage like that. She gets invited to all these shows because you just need to hear those vocals live. I am so jealous of everyone in the audience there. And with that like hardcore beat drop, like I want to be there just like dancing along with everyone. Can I be those dancers though? Next to Solar? I'll learn to do a backflip for you, Solar. And spin around. Yes, but the thing about this song is just her deep voice though. That's the part that hooks it for me. That's the killing point for me. When she's like, I want it more. Like that. Goes so deep down. Deep down into the underwater paradise. That's how low her vocals are. Yeah, but the fact that she can do both of those. Such talent. Such talent. Yes, I have been taken to the paradise by your vocals, Solar. Amazing performance, as always. And she's invited to this DJ survival program just to sing the main OST. Now that's the big deal. That's the real deal. That's the big news. That's yeah, that is so amazing for her. What a great opportunity for her. And she's always singing OSTs for K dramas, but this is different. This is an EDM DJ program. What? So interesting. But yeah, I'm glad we got to hear this song again. I didn't think we would get to see a special performance of this. Yeah, it is pretty special. And Solar, she's in paradise. She wants it. And I want it too. So, thank you so much for watching Moomoos and Solar Stands. This one is for you. I hope you enjoyed it. And Solar's deep vocals too. Gotta love that. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Love you, Solar. Sarang Hanu.